Hi students, I want to do one last video for the year before you go. There were some awards that I wasn't able to recognize in our year-end video, but I want to recognize you now for your hard work and effort. I want to recognize this group of people. They did 100% of the Google Classroom work. They submitted everything on time, they checked in every day, they watched all the videos, they contacted me with questions, they reached out to Miss Tammy for help. These people are Axel Carrillo, Abdul Samad Alabi, Adrian Arzate, Allison Zamora, Brielle Bernardis, Casey Knox, Kevin Garcia, Leslie Amaya, and Valerie DeLeon. I'm going to recognize these people for the most usage and time spent on Imagine Math, Imagine Literacy, and Reflex. These are programs we use in the classroom to help supplement our learning. With the most lessons in Imagine Math, 204 lessons, Madison Coleman. Madison works really hard every day at home to do lessons. She does them in class, and her hard work has paid off. Imagine Literacy, the top person with the most hours for 56 hours is Ivan Echenike. Now, Lemarian's not too far behind. She has 53 hours. Keep it up. Reflex, with the most hours and days logged in, is Gabriela Torres. I want to recognize these students. I was only able to acknowledge 2 people during the awards ceremony, but I feel this is a difficult choice for me to make, being that everyone is so good and they have different qualities about them, and most of us have good behavior all of the time. So I want to thank all of the students for having good attitudes, positive behavior, and good citizenship. In the video, I did recognize Valerie DeLeon and Kevin Garcia. They are what exemplifies good behavior and good citizenship all of the time. But I do want to recognize these students. They're good helpers, they're good leaders, they're good citizens. Allison Zamora, Axel Carrillo, Bienveni Matima, Brielle Bernardis, Kevin Garcia, Gabriela Torres, Allison Garcia, Casey Knox, Madison Coleman, Leslie Amaya, Thaddeus Watson, Tori Gibson, Valerie DeLeon, and Adrian Villalobos. So again, I want to thank you for your good work in Google Classroom. I want to thank you for working so hard this year. I'm hoping to see you at school next year. And as you know, I'll be staying in 3rd, but I will just be right down the hall. So if you ever need anything, you can come and see me. Please don't forget to stop by and get your work packet and awards this Thursday on the 28th from 10 to 11. Thank you.